Impact.
Impact.
I treat everybody's
Oh, fuck you, Ryan.
No, you got two more on the corner.
You got 120 left.
Most people just want to work. Man, that's all most people want.
110 left.
You got plenty of time, Ryan.
Let those little boys be fun.
Don't worry, take your time.
So,
Method.
pull out for me.
I like it.
25 yards here to the top of it.
Impact. Impact. 43 seconds left.
But if I
40
take it,
seconds
I
left.
realize, yeah, I'm not playing. I'm not playing close.
Impact. Dead center.
Yeah, how you do it? You get way out there.
Adam, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Yeah, Chase called
There goes that.
Texas. When we were out there mule deer hunting last fall, and he's like, I want a big backpack. And I made him one, and I was waiting to see if he'd destroy it, but he hadn't yet. So.
Look at this. That's awesome. That's a good idea.
I can. We got that badass.
Get in there.
We'll go on mine, then.
Hey,
Gives you the support you need for when it kicks a little bit.
Yeah, this is.
yeah, no, I might. Yeah, I think those Under Armour friend and foe hats would make good hats for the border. They're kind of sleek and they got a little flag.
Miss.
Off the left, off the right.
Yeah.
Impact.
Impact.
Shit, that's a loud gun.
Impact.
No impact, no idea. Impact on the berm.
That's got fucking
Enough.
sunscreen in the eye, man.
Spotters up.
Spotters up.
She didn't get it.
My eye just closed up on me like a... Are y'all really shooting?
Low.
Come up,
0.5.
He's going
I'm retarded.
Hope so. Hey, you want to shoot a boat gun on this?
I think we're getting
What you got out here?
I
got a 308 bolt gun.
Impact.
I've shot
New
a
impact.
before, but I kind of want to see what this one does.
I got news for you.
I can do so well.
I know it's not.
You're going to have a lot of problems. You are welcome to shoot one of our rifles. Matter of fact, I'll make one of the guys.
Yeah, they're all making it.
Josh,
you shot about a 4
you got about a group about that big.
Yeah, I think I'm.
With what caliber, Josh?
223, baby.
We got spotters up? Yes, sir. All right, spotters are up. Shooter, you may engage when ready.
And the way you do it on that, I told you what ended up happening on 308, didn't I?
Uh-oh.
Put that,
Oh, yeah, he's bombed down.
All right, we
don't have one in there.
He kicked it off that way.
when I go to the bottom of that USA, I'm at the bottom of that USA.
Hey, where's the tractor?
He's on the right somewhere.
So I've got 28,000 yards.
Impact. 10:30.
11:30.
Impact. Same spot.
It's at 11:30? 11:30. Call it.
Impact.
Ease up, please.
Impact.
God damn it.
I didn't see it hit it.
I didn't see it, but I was trying to listen.
It was still moving from the.
I was trying.
Hey, bro, we're trying to hear the steel.
Shut up, you know it's fun.
I didn't see anything again.
Impact. I heard it.
It's the only way to hunt.
Impact.
I can see that.
I see it.
I think impact.
Yeah, impact again.
Yeah, I heard it. I heard the report.
Well, that's what I did. I hit that 5 shots in a row.
What?
Leopold.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like
That was impact.
Yeah, I shoot that way. I mean, those real deal, but their type of shooting is within 200 yards. And they're worried about, oh, man, I saw what a 308 they shot the guy that showed the post-mortem.
Okay,
and it
I,
showed what a
on the
158
trace, you're
did,
way
and
right.
It showed the follow-through and how they were looking for new bullets. And I kept bringing up new stuff. Let me go something like 243. Something basically.
You gotta have speed and you gotta get it to pop.
That's it. We got to get it to impact and blow up, but they so hung up. Departments are on 168 Sierra Max.
And that's probably the very worst bullet they could possibly be using.
Thank you. I agree with you on
I
that.
think that one.
Thick
Who's
ass
that?
jacket,
Jaren shooting?
big heavy like.
Hang on just a second.
But a lot of their stuff is 2 wins.
Impact.
Yeah, left, right side.
The longest
That looked like an impact thing.
Yeah.
Is that 5?
Run 90 VLD.
Brian, don't videotape me.
I'm not. It's not zoomed in on your face either.
Alright, here's what we're going to do. We've got, this is the car hostage. We're going to engage the pistol from that orange line. Okay? You must clear the pistol to move your rifle, which is staged on the hood of the car. That rug smells very ripe, FYI. Okay? You're going to engage the target from the hood of the car, from left to right, straight back. The last shot's the hostage. So you're going to go 1 shot per target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hostage is 10.
With the second target's left of the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
and then come
6,
close?
7, 8, 9, 10 is the hostage.
All
I see 8. Oh wait, there we go. Okay.
That one way over there by the berms, number 9.
We got 10 minutes for this day.
2 minutes, I think.
2 minutes.
So what you're saying, when you get to this run of orange targets right here,
Just straight back.
from close to far.
And they're
Close
all
to
off the
far.
hood.
Okay.
Go, good enough. Drop the mag, show clear, good to go. Back.
I own a 1911. I own a Nighthawk that they built for me in Gage. Years ago. They gave me.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Don't worry. That's the one you can use. Except for this. Wait till the
There's lots of guys that shoot. The thing with the 2011s is amazing.
Especially on the 140, 140 for limited class, or is that 140, 170? We saw Jim just in.
Back in the day.
Spotters.
Delta, what Delta?
I'm on it, actually. That's hit.
Good job.
That was impact, wasn't it?